Kathmandu. Okay, बोलो क्या बोलो?
आप बोलो।
आप पकड़ के बोलोगे तो कहाँ खुद नहीं मिलेगा?
मैं कैसे बोलूँगा?
तो निकाल।
क्या बोलो? आप भी हो कैमरा में?
We are going to buy tattoo machine
Yes.
and my Kati. So tell me about Nepal. What the difference between like एक वर्ष में कितना चेंज देख रहे हो हमें?
Oh, very change.
क्या स्पेशली क्या चेंज देख रहे हो? इधर पर वायर नहीं मत देखो इधर वायर नहीं
Huh?
क्या चेंज क्या देखा आपने?
Very change. Like lots of new shops.
New shop. Where do you find new shop?
This
Out.
new shop and then new people.
New people. Yeah, every time we came there is new people. Right?
Then new atmosphere.
Okay, cool. So अभी हम लोग किधर जा रहे हैं?
Now we are going to grab some food and then tattoo machine.
Okay, cool. Sounds good. So now you okay. चलो भैया ने आपको एक अच्छा आइडिया दिया था. आप ड्राइंग सीखो ना.
Or drawing, yeah, I
Drawing
learned
class
drawing
लो ना.
from YouTube video.
No YouTube से आपने सिर्फ आइडिया लेना है. बेसिक तो आपको सीखना पड़ेगा वो क्लास. उसके बाद YouTube is second step, not first step. Understand? So guys, my God is very hungry, and he tried Nepali food. Last night what you tried? Last night, like tomorrow. Yesterday night.
Yesterday I had food in flight.
Oh. So beer?
Huh?
Beer?
No beer.
Yesterday night no beer? What do you ask me? Come, I will.
Nah, I'm quitting drinking alcohol.
Oh, sounds good. How do you change it, man?
Huh?
How do you change it?
Because I am also changing.
Cool. Sounds good, man.
Everyone is changing.
Everyone is changing, yeah. Because here also changing. Now 2019, after 1 month, it will be 2020, 2020, right? 2020. Good. So, okay, tell me your plan, like for 4 months. Tell me your like plan.
Huh?
Tell your plan for 4 months.
Oh,
Plan बताओ.
practice tattoo
और
and like stay in Kathmandu and
और किधर जाना कि नहीं है आपको इस बार?
no, I don't want to go outside of Kathmandu.
Okay, so
Only in Kathmandu.
this time you live in Kathmandu.
Huh?
This time you live in Kathmandu.
Yeah.
No Lumbini, no Gorkha, no Chitwan, no Pokhara.
Pokhara, I don't know. If Tulabai goes, then I'll go.
Why?
But not by myself.
Why?
Because
What's the reason?
I want to stay in Kathmandu this year.
Why? You have someone in Kathmandu, your girlfriend?
No. Just by
why?
myself.
So we are near to that hotel. We take today Nepali food pictures, some pickles, and some like veg item. And we go tattoo shop also, right? And just we today look only or you wanna buy also now?
Today I see and select and then buy tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow buy. Okay, no problem. Cool. Yeah, man. Look like थोड़ा उसके भी दिखाओ. सिनेरी के भी दिखाओ. घुमाओ कैमरा. एडिट करना आता है ना आपको?
Huh?
एडिट करना आता है ना?
Yeah.
हाँ, किधर से करते हो? मोबाइल से करते हो और लैपटॉप से करते हो?
Huh?
मोबाइल से करते हो लैपटॉप से करते हो?
Laptop still?
लैपटॉप से? ऐप है वो ऐप आपके पास? इजी होता है एडिट करने के लिए? Then you can teach me?
Okay.
Huh? I wanna know how to edit. videos and how to put background music.
Oh, I have the Filmora video.
So
editing app.
you can teach me?
Yeah, it's very easy.
It's very easy.
If you use it, you will learn by yourself.
No, first of all, teach me, then I will try myself.
No, it's so handy, and it's so handy. You will learn by yourself. Like, you don't have to ask anyone. You just learn.
No, but also like start
When
basic.
you,
Give
when
me
you
basic
start,
idea.
When you start using it, you'll see that you are learning by yourself.
So we are now we're going to Lumbini Tattoo. Okay. Let's go this way. Lumbini Tattoo. Follow me.
Lumbini Tattoo to Dheeraj.
Yeah, Lumbini Tattoo. Come step by step. Follow me, man. Follow me. Okay, shoot this one. Okay, click. Okay. Click.
Hello.
Coffee, right?
No.
Sugar or without sugar?
No, I'm okay. No coffee.
No coffee?
अरे नहीं खाएंगे
दारू खाएंगे?
दारू मंगाए अरे लुक से तो बहुत चेंज हो गया
अभी तो
बैठिए
change.
थोड़ा स्टूडियो में फोटो खींचा। अब ले स्टूडियो को ले लो। एक शॉट।
खींचा लिया।
म उसले राम तिमी ल्याएर
मैं आया था तो इधर भी।
इसका लो ना।
हाँ?
इसका लो ना।